Ebusia oba TikTok andopeya TikTok so aya areho nyina ye yunua baby a ye friend no Amanda ne TikTok account no pretty Mandy 0594 wa to na nanom wo ensiedo ye ya na according to video na beta bontene de oye MPP ni papa oka MPP campaign team ho a omobo Bawumia ho dewru ye den a mohwe nim se abato ye babatu yi no ono kra batu bi ama MPP ama Bawumia ababe the next president of Ghana na fofie antoata me no kase enua ba we atonanamo ewo esiedo na eniam ekofa ne wuo ni bae no na aye asefem aye too much age mesro say subscribe my page ni mi adoma no so send me upload bi so na on celebrate my canal follow me on TikTok, Facebook and all the other social media platforms nyina so nyina too much gh ebusia anopa we mi nam Facebook and me copy wo yen.com na yen.com I make a post na ntroya yen.com e de ato no no e ntroya makoma eni anjo mu se omodi nkwase asem ankasa pa because caption we to no no omo say she was so sure of voting for Bawumia to win come December 7 and even choose an NDC song she was going to jubilate with. May she rest in peace. And omode cry emoji any broken heart emoji at one more. And na ode obai phone at one. Now phone so no much say life is short. 24-year-old TikToker and Bawumia supporter dies strangely 2 days after teasing NDC. Sad video is below. Ebusia o hwe entroya yen.com de abeto no na I think say I was almost changing on my caption because I attempt the day kese pa. E free da ben na ebeye taboo say obedi NDC nyomosa and obedi MPP nyom esa. E free da ben na ebeye taboo say obi to abama political party bia owo arehemu e omumu. Iti the fact that say Amanda MPP ni no ensem fata say e was Amanda wu ana say e was Amanda Ephraim nebusuya eno ene ma me ye say me ko TikTok na ko hwe Amanda nebusuya me copy wo TikTok nso no information said that ono che say Amanda ye Poìson no because there's a video of her video be a on abranti bi ADD abranti so che say omudidi ye Sunday inti che say any Monday and Amanda edi free mu and a boy na chura video no say just yesterday meaning say just yesterday na Sunday no and on oba we pie ye ko didi ye o hwe omudi fufuo ene enkatenkwan but me check yen so no e say a food poison ene kun abaye na hwana na de food poison no e ma abaye edi ye na oba pretty Mandy 0594 TikTok account ni so Mama be a friend no Miss Amako Hema. The comment be to or say this was not part of this year's plan. You aren't resting. What? Fight them, my daughter. I can't sleep, oh Amanda. So you chose to join your mother. Not at this time. Inti menu kasi chese Amanda ye kana wase mekuapono. Ni mama kure wu ye nche eno no nso edi efrim no. Ebusuya we ye asefem we ya rehosem ye pa. And what say ye de young to politics. Yes, because owu aye nua ba we Ephraim ohwa abaya kama say a eya rewo asase di niama etino we nya bre wo say ye de ye politics ne o Poìson abaya we no e wo say etumi fishing it out na mra ene ni endi so ye NDC ni a o need that right ni say o take abaya we life. For what reason? For what purpose? And for so there ben ene bebem. And now come to talk of it. MPP and NDC ebusia baako honorable Akompre kan Japan obehunu no ne NDC for na apie ko di cover all the time General Mosquito attend the MPP for ye Samson na MP for so no attend the NDC for ye. There's no rivalry, there's no battle between them and to could be any omunte inti ye na ye to mochi ejina echire na ye fele say and to could be cause no jimie ebusia jimie entokwa ani omuntim omodo omo eyo man ba akoso eno mu nyina ate eya akonya ba akoso eno mu nyina atena eye Ghana afo ba akope ene omo ne yen enam ense yen ye be ye ho atanfo dia. Then I think say we are not doing the right thing. Obi wa confidence in John Mahama say John Mahama ba enema be ye obi so confidence say John Mahama was so many years ago, I went to me handle issues those days. No. What is the proof that he can handle issues in these days are more difficult than in those days? Obisu wa confidence say Bawumia benye president da. Na say or this initiative ba bontin say digitalization any other things or person or ba or more start crap with the ejuma. No obi say our confidence when you no or person to abama more and aside that free SHS or mo dia ba no. Or feel say they can do it well, no person vote ma Dr. Bawumia. I don't see the reason why it was a problem at the mobi. And now me for taxi driver be and now taxi driver nakasa raising come out our car no and na obi say me say why na met obama no and I say oh why no no join say it was here to abana and was here to ma John Mahama na me say oh adentia and also John Mahama so ma ye nkukubu no the 24 hours economy plan so be out and I'm saying it's a 24 hours economy plan no obia na betimi aye bia na ana aban be ma companies ni sika na omo dey bi omo adwuma ni because mechanic to me 24 hours job unless there's an owner of the company or be employee mechanics or be employee workers no ma hwe adwuma na ma no ana taxi driver na ono ye na adwuma na sika crampon so no on park na fa kan ma obi but sir 24 hours economy plan ebe boa companies omo musika omo here more production if there's a company omo here more production they already doing their 24 hours schedule already. Company be say cowbell company omo running many shift ebi kwa nopa ebi kwa ewia ebi kwa enwumre ebi kwa ba he machi omo running dada and so if saban no wa bi a obetimi dey aboa timfo no metimi dey operate that 24-hour economy there nothing is a good thing we are make an no akwane buofu ama one ne kahwe a onti ase e wana me se bema be a me economy duru I see me and me try neka and o de call here nti wo hwa obia wa na adwen a odinam nti mayemfa yenkwa enye politics ye nuaba pretty man dia we free me eya hosem yi pa it too much ebusuafo nyina no ye mebusuan hyede mebusuan yakọ chale asase di niam a wo hwe fine girl we pa we wu ebusuan high too much in di na subscribe my page with me adoma no so me follow me on all the other social media platforms so ni nyina ye too much in me that's it.